Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the place where we simplify business decisions. Today, we're diving into the ultimate payroll showdown, Paychex versus ADP. Let's see which one might be the best fit for your business. First, let's talk about Paychex. It's known for being incredibly user-friendly, especially for small to mid-sized businesses. Paychex offers payroll, HR, and benefit services, all wrapped up in one neat package. Their app is super intuitive, making it easy to manage payroll and employee benefits on the go. What's great about Paychex is its focus on small businesses. Plans are customizable, so you are not overpaying for features you don't need. But keep in mind that their customer support can be hit or miss during peak times. Now let's look at ADP, a giant in the payroll and HR world. ADP is perfect for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large corporations. It's packed with advanced features like workforce analytics and compliance tools, which can be a game changer for larger teams. One major plus, ADP has unmatched scalability. Whether you're growing fast or staying small, ADP grows with you. However, that comes at a cost. ADP is often pricier than Paychex, and it's not as beginner friendly. So, which one should you choose? If you're a small business looking for simplicity and affordability, Paychex might be your best bet. But if you need advanced tools or plan to scale quickly, ADP's robust features could be worth the investment. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.